Good morning, fam. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am here this morning to try to figure out what is going on with us. So, and I have tea. I'm not a coffee drinker. I love my tea. I have chai and vanilla and then green tea. So I like to make a mixture of my own concoction, but this is my favorite one right here. But as you guys can see, our family members are coming slower and slower. And I am trying to figure out from you guys, what could that possibly be? Because I don't know if it's because of the content now or what, or it's just so many new YouTubers, great YouTubers coming out that our audience has been drawn away and gone to them. So with that being said, I want some suggestions from you guys how to kickstart our channel again, and so that we can get some new YT family members or even just new views, because we have almost 41,000 subscribers, and out of 41,000 we only have about, on a normal basis, about 2,500 to 2,500 views for each one of our videos. And so I'm trying to figure out where the other 38,000 at. And like I said, it could be because there's so many great other great YouTubers that are coming in that we have to do something major to draw the attention, some of the attention to us. Because like I said, there is I got glitter on my eye, probably because I'm sitting on my ottoman that has glitter on it. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Because there is enough viewers on the YT to accommodate all YouTubers that provides some type of content to all of you guys. And I want to give a big shout out to all of the YTers that constantly come up with new designs and new ways and new ideas to please, or to, I'm not saying to please, to give you new content or new ways to design your home, or the latest fashions, or the latest bloggers that tell you what's going on out there, or the gamers that keep your attention, and the computer tech people that show us how to do those things that we can't do on a computer. And not just the computer text, but the auto text. All of those YouTubers and out there that does all these things, I just want to say props and shout out to you guys, because I know how hard it is to come up with content, shoot the content, edit the content, upload the content, and then all that work that you put into the video, you don't get the feedback that you were expecting. So I just want to know what my family members think. So, and also I wanted to I could have put a little bit more creamer.
With
I also
cream in
drink my
it.
coffee
And
English
I love
style
it.
with
It tastes really good.
so I also wanted to tell you guys about a few upcoming things that we have on our channel to come, and maybe if this content is not going to spark your attention or your grab your attention, should I say, then you guys can let me know what else we can do. So we have a giveaway coming up, and it is a awesome giveaway. I know you guys have heard about Jordan before, the company Jordan, and if you have not, you can either go and check them out before the giveaway video, or you can wait till the gift video come out so that, or the giveaway video come out so that you can learn a little bit about them. I will have, if I try to tell you all the great things about this company, then the video will probably be hours long. The first time I recorded it, it was 40 minutes long, and so I had to cut from 40 minutes down to 6 to 7 minutes. But that's how great I admire this company. So we also have a faux window coming up. We have a vanity, not a vanity, but a bathroom stand coming up that I made. It's mirrored and is kind of, well, not kind of, it matches the double pane mirror that I made, but you guys said that you like it behind on the back where we placed it at, and I took y'all suggestion and I made that into a table as well, but I did not record that one, but you will see how I did it when you look at the video of the table that I made. I am going to try to record the hanging of the nightstands, because they're going to be floating nightstand, and also the chandeliers will be, or the night it's a chandelier, but it's going to be the light for the nightstands. And so I will try to record that. I have a big 3-piece art set coming up that I'm going to put in the purple and silver room. Though the reveal of the purple and silver room will be coming out very soon. And the master suite reveal will be coming out soon. I'm in the master suite right now, and it is a long ways to go, but I am looking forward to that journey. But also, guys, I keep asking you guys for content that you want to see, as well as content that you want me to recreate for you guys. I come up with a lot of recreations from different things, and I want you guys to try to challenge me, because I like to constantly be moving forward with you guys. So I want you to challenge me as far as bringing you guys new content. And I'm sorry if I'm not giving eye contact. This is when I talk, I just look around, because for one, I'm trying to get thoughts coming in, and two, I guess unless I'm face to face with a person, my eyes just wander. So I'm not looking at any specific thing while I'm talking to you guys. I'm talking to you guys the way I normally talk, unless I'm in a business setting. If I'm in a relaxed setting like I feel like I can be with you guys. I'm myself. And I'm sorry if it offends some people, but I'm not trying to. Also guys, on this video, if you have questions about me, if you would like me to do a Q&A video to learn a little bit about me, also put that down in the comment section. So guys, please share all our content, and by sharing on all your different social media sites, that's also what helps us gain new YT family members. Share our videos. Let me know what type of content you guys want to see, so I can see if that's going to increase our new family members. Let's see. Give me ideas that you guys would like to see here on our channel, so that you can challenge me into doing bigger and greater things. And if you have any recreations that you would like me to recreate, send them to our email address, which is designonadollarbudget@gmail.com. It's our YouTube name, and just add budget to the end of it. It's all together, no spaces, no capital letters. And I try to check that on a normal basis. And one more thing guys, I am so sorry if it is taking me a minute to reply to comments on some of the older videos. I'm trying to keep up with the new ones, but I have not forgotten about the old ones. And welcome again to all our new YT family members. And this video is already longer than I anticipated, but I love you guys to the moon and back again. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.